Japan isn't just sushi, cherry blossoms, and bullet trains. What if I told you there are 3 absolutely mind-blowing experiences hiding in plain sight that completely redefine what you think about Japanese culture? I'm going to try and find 3 amazing Japanese things that you absolutely need to know about. Hey everyone, welcome back to Minimal Reset, where we explore the simple yet profound things that reset our minds and open our eyes. Today, I'm sharing 3 truly incredible Japanese gems that I believe everyone should know about. Let's dive in. Most of us only know the surface level Japan, the one we see in travel vlogs and Instagram reels. We think we know the country, but the truth is, there's a whole deeper, weirder, and more beautiful side that very few people talk about. We miss the hidden gems that actually reveal Japan's real soul, its creativity, its traditions, and its futuristic spirit. That's exactly why I made this video. I'm challenging the usual Japan highlights and showing you 3 unique experiences that will surprise you, delight you, and honestly, reset the way you see this country. First up, the playful weirdness of Kawaii Monster Land in Harajuku. Yes, the legendary Kawaii Monster Cafe is back in 2026 as an even bigger immersive experience. Imagine stepping into the stomach of a giant candy-colored monster. Neon animal heads, giant macarons on the walls, a spinning carousel, and monster girls performing live. It's the perfect blend of cute and chaotic, pure Harajuku energy. Second, the sensory overload of Nishiki Market in Kyoto, also known as Kyoto's Kitchen. For over 400 years, this 400-meter-long street has been packed with more than 100 stalls. Fresh seafood glistening on ice, barrels of colorful pickles, sizzling street food, and the smell of matcha and grilled eel everywhere. It's where locals and chefs have shopped for centuries. And third, the futuristic wonder of teamLab Borderless in Tokyo. This isn't a regular museum. It's a borderless digital art world with no map. Projections of flowers, lights, and creatures move around you, react to your movements, and flow from room to room. Art literally comes alive and connects with you. Now, here's what makes each of them truly special. At Kawaii Monster Land, the real wow moment is when the lights dim, the carousel spins, and the monster girls burst into performance. It's pure, joyful chaos that makes you feel like a kid again. That playful weirdness is what Harajuku culture is all about. In Nishiki Market, the magic hits you when you're standing in the middle of the alley, surrounded by sizzling sounds, amazing smells, and friendly vendors offering samples. It's not just food, it's 400 years of Kyoto's living food culture hitting all your senses at once. And at teamLab Borderless, the ultimate moment is when you're standing in a room of thousands of floating lights or blooming flowers that follow your every move. You suddenly realize you're not just watching the art, you've become part of it. It's technology and nature dancing together in the most beautiful way. What really gets me about these 3 amazing Japanese things is the way they each offer a unique perspective on the country's culture and values. Whether it's the playful weirdness of the Kawaii Monster Cafe, the sensory overload of the Nishiki Market, or the futuristic wonder of teamLab Borderless, each one has the power to surprise and delight. So, to recap, we've explored the Kawaii Monster Cafe, the Nishiki Market, and the teamLab Borderless Digital Art Museum. Each of these amazing Japanese things offers a glimpse into a world that's both familiar and strange, and that's what makes them so special. If you're curious to learn more about these incredible Japanese gems, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which one of these 3 things did you find most interesting? Do you have other amazing Japanese things to recommend? Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you're interested in more videos about Japan, be sure to check out my other video on the weirdest Japanese foods you never knew existed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.